Yo, it's Ronnie Free, and this is World Rebels The Journey, episode 3. A few things go down in this episode, so be sure to stay tuned. It would help a lot, too, if you guys could show some love by subscribing, commenting, sharing, regardless of what platform you're on. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy this episode as the journey continues. So we got to fix this. My flash dryer broke. This is definitely needed when printing because normally whenever I'm doing orders for my clients or even when I'm printing for World Rebels, like you have your screen and then you print it. And if it's like two colors, like you can see this design here, then you have to flash dry the first color and then bring it back around and print the second color. And this right here is what I use to flash dry the shirts. And then once they're all done, I use this one to like fully dry the shirts. But this one out, it always happens and it's always this little breaker here. So I bought another one. This one is like, I don't know. This one's different than this one. It takes more amps or whatever. I'm not an electrician, but you know, we about to get this right. Okay, well, it's worse than I thought. I guess it wasn't the breaker. It was this wire right here. It's just gone. So, okay. I tried to fix my flash dryer, but the thing that I thought was wrong with it was not what was wrong with it. I've had that dryer. It's a cheap Chinese flash dryer that I bought off like eBay or something back in the day when I first started printing. And normally when it goes out, it's this right here, the little breaker for it. And I just buy a new one, pop it in, turn it back on, and it works. However, this time, for whatever reason, that was not the case. And the wire, this one right here, literally just like burned, melted, and broke. That connects to the heating element there. This is garbage, period. Like, I've been wanting to replace it, but to buy a better one, they're pretty expensive. And so I've been just trying to hold off for as long as I can before having to drop like $800 or $1,000 to buy a new one. But at this point, I feel like I definitely need to go ahead and just upgrade because I can't keep having that going out, because when that goes out, I can't print my client orders, I can't print, you know, World Rebels products, and yeah, you're just not able to make money. So it sucks because running a business and being self-employed, the goal is to keep as much money in the bank account as possible and spend as little as you need, and to scale. And when things kind of go bad last minute and you have to spend money, especially like 800 and in the thousands, like that hurts the pockets for sure. But with a bigger, I think I'm gonna try to get like a bigger flash dryer. But it's definitely gonna be way better quality, American made. With that, you know, I'll be able to print more and handle bigger orders. So yeah, it's all good. It'll be fine. I'll make that money back. Tax write-off, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, so that's it for now. Just got a package. The World Rebels outline strapbacks are here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a knife, scissors, something, cut it open. And then, yeah, let me try to set this up real quick, actually. Well, moment of truth. So this is it. Black, gray, outline logo, custom taping, strap back. Now I have to make this look pretty and take some product shots. So I got a new rug for the shop and the outline strap back, of course. Y'all, I feel weird. I went to Arizona for like a week, and then I come back and I feel weird every time I say y'all because people on the West Coast don't really say y'all. But check this out, new flash dryers in, doing work, love it. Quality stuff right there. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this episode. But before I go, I definitely want to give you guys a quick little look at a couple of things that I've been working on. One, new gym shorts coming soon, 2 colorways. Episode 4, I'll talk way more on that. And then second, I've actually released these a couple years ago, the whole jersey underarm concept. My goal is, right now, if you go to worldrebels.com, you'll see a lot of different t-shirts, you know, with the mascot outline, but they're just on regular t-shirts that I pretty much private label or relabel and brand World Rebels. But this right here is special because I actually, this is cut and sew, not like sew, but like SEW, cut and sew. And what that means is I designed this t-shirt like from the ground up, and it features jersey mesh underarm area. So yeah, super excited about that. The fit is unique as well. It's slightly longer than like standard tees, but it's not like super extended. Well, I have an extended version, and then I have what I call my hybrid version. So yeah, episode 4, I'll definitely speak more on this and show you guys more on that. But that's about it. Like I said, regardless of what platform you might be watching this on, go ahead, show love, support by liking, commenting, subscribing, sharing, and visit worldrebels.com. Follow World Rebels on Instagram. You can follow me at Ronnie Free, and I will catch y'all in episode 4.